Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. I'm in my the Blackboard room today. So our schedule, first we will listen to project team presentations. I will critique the presentations and then a little lecture. So most of us think, some of us think, here is 1 point, here is 2 points, here is 3 points that we agree with, here is 1 point, here is 2 points that we don't agree with. I heard inclusive language. That means speaking as a group. Good job, writers. Speakers. Number one. I could see you. Look at your cameras. I could hear you. Many of you use a satellite microphone. We all could hear you. We could see you. You looked at your cameras and we could hear you. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. And project teams, as I said, I could hear group opinions. I am very happy. One of the tasks that I do is that I am an advisor for high school debate. So last week, I was guiding, training, coaching. There are many words I could use, but I had extra time-consuming duties last week. Now, the great thing was that we could do it virtually, so very efficiently, and I recorded it, and I sent the individual teams a video record of their debates and my critiques. I didn't read your writing assignment, but I want to talk a little bit about 3 things. What I'm looking for, I'm looking how much of my chalkboard I can use. And I'm paying attention to how large the letters are so you can see them. It makes no sense. It's not an efficient use of time if you write too big or you write too small. So you study individual Words. Can I do it? Maybe. Vocabulary. Let's go. English words have many uses. Words only have meaning in sentences. I know the test that you took in junior high school and high school. I have children. The tests that you took, the preparation work that you did was not really helpful in learning how to use English as a second language. Reading critically is the key to acquiring second language skill. I am making a paragraph. Why? One sentence does not have any uh-oh. Am I still there? Oh yeah, great. One sentence alone doesn't have big meaning. Unless you put 1,000 words in one sentence. I'm exaggerating, of course, but you know, readability. The number one thing, the number one compliment that I will give you, the number one praise that I will give you in your reading assignments is so simple. It's a short sentence. I can read your if you look at my comment, when you look at your grade, open Manaba correctly, look at my comments. If you read, I can read your writing, 2 thumbs up. If I do the negative, I can't read your writing. Oh my God. I'm not going to pass you. Readability. You make 4 or 5 sentence paragraphs. A good paragraph, a readable paragraph. That is what a good paragraph is. A paragraph you can read. One, two, three, 4, and my concluding sentence of this paragraph. Paragraphs are the foundation of good writing. Look at my YouTube channel. Scroll through the different videos. 60% focus on paragraph writing. This is the key to acquiring your second language skill. Most of the use of your second language skill is writing reports about what you read in English. And to be a good critical reader of English, you have to understand paragraph form, introduction sentence, supporting sentence, supporting sentence, semi-conclusion, conclusion. Now, of course, I will continue next week. This is just the introduction paragraph. And I will write 3 more paragraphs in the next 3 weeks. Each one of those paragraphs has a job, a supporting job, and then a conclusion job. And together, they tell a story. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy. I'm really, really satisfied about this week's presentations. Now, the next topic is important. It's a foundation topic to help you acquire the needed skills to make presentations, to make readable essays, to make readable reports. So watch the video, take part in your presentation, your project group video chats, and I will see you next Friday, virtually. Be careful out there. The COVID infection rate is increasing. And this variant is very painful, especially for young people. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to prepare you. So, ladies and gentlemen, have a good weekend. I will see you next Friday morning. Really, thank you very much. Goodbye.